Hello, this is my second video, and in this video I am going to talk about some more notes, like how can we make them notes and what are the uses of those notes. So in this video I am going to talk about how to make single seed band and double seed band. So let's start how to make single seed band and double seed band. So for single seed band we are supposed to have two ropes, or either we can make it by our single rope also. I will show you both method. Firstly, with the help of both two ropes, I will be making single seed band. So let's start it. From the one rope, we are supposed to make a bite. This is called bite. Okay. And with the help of other rope, you are supposed to pass it like this, such that this. Firstly, look at this. This is single seed band, and how can we make it? I am repeating it again. First of all, make a bite, like this is the bite, and we are to pass this rope from this and like this from its behind, like this, and again pass it from this, from the front, and stretch it. This is single seed band. Again repeating because it is important, because if you know how to make single seed band, you can make very easily double seed band. Okay, so I am repeating it again. Just a normal step. How can we make it? First step, make a bite, pass rope through this. Let's have it from this side, like this side, from its back. Okay, after from its back, we are just supposed to pass it from this, only this. This is the step. Okay, are you looking? This is the step, and stretch it. This is single seed band. And a similar way, as it is single seed band, how to make double seed band? Nothing, just repeat one more step, like this is the end, repeat it again and pass through this. This is called double seed band. Okay, so this is called double seed band. Okay, so once again I am repeating how to make it single seed band. Okay, so first of all, make a bite, like this is a bite, pass a rope through this, turn it like this from the back side, and again pass this by complete round, pass it from this on rope only, the only rope. Okay, and this is single seed band. And if you turn it one more time and like this, and this is called double seed band. Now I am showing you how to make the same note with the help of single rope. If like rope are tied like this on a rope, another rope, if rope are tied like this way, if ropes are tied like this, and you are given only single rope, then how can you make single seed band and double seed band? So first of all, again if rope is tied like this, first of all make a bite on this rope, pass it like this from the back side, this is something like this, and again you can see single seed band is looking same as we have made it earlier. So in this, what we are supposed to do, normally we had made one bite, passed rope through this from the back side, from its back side, like this. We have done this, turn it like this, and then this, and now we have to do something like this. Not we have to, like, I am repeating it again. Firstly, make a bite, pass rope from this loop, turn it and pass it from the bottom loop. Okay, and then pass it from this one, only this rope, like this. Okay, firstly this, and then turn this, and this is the shape for single seed band. And similarly, if double seed band is to be made, again repeat it and like this, and we have to stretch this one. This is the double seed band. ओके, थैंक यू। जय हिंद, जय भारत।